Whenever you create a LinkedIn post, you always wish that certain people are going to read it. Well, big surprise, since March 2023, that is actually possible. Earlier in other thought leadership videos, I've talked about that when you create thought leadership content or content overall, you should make sure that you expand your network to the people that you want to reach out to. But you can even do a faster step. LinkedIn recently launched LinkedIn Thought Leader Ads. So what does that mean exactly? Is that you're able to sponsor your post, so pay money to get your post in a certain audience to exactly the audience that you want. So in a use case that would be, let's say I write a post about my sustainability product that I want to bring to the market, and I want only people in sustainability to see it. So I create a post, I then sponsor it with real money with my company, and I tell LinkedIn to only distribute it to sustainability directors in the Netherlands. Or if you want to go larger, you can sponsor it to Europe, for example. And what will happen then is LinkedIn starts distributing it to only sustainability directors, but it doesn't look like an ad. It still looks like your own post, and it really says really tiny, sponsored by company name. But the beauty of it is people don't see that, and it still looks like a very personal post. And if you're doing it right, you're actually delivering content to an audience that really wants to read it. So when that audience then replies on my LinkedIn post, I can follow up in a very authentic and organic way. And I don't have to be pushy and connect to people and send this content to people for engagement. But they're getting it in their feed. They're replying completely voluntarily because it's probably content that they're interested in. And when that engagement happens on my post, I can actually act on that and engage with that and actually build a relationship. And that is how thought leadership ads work in a nutshell. And we have seen great results with it. Of course, what is very important is that you still build a thought leadership strategy. If your content is not good, if your targeting is not good, you're probably not going to generate the result that you want. But if you have a very spot-on thought leadership strategy, if you identified a great audience with that, and you have determined the right campaign with it, you can create very sharp results with it. And that was my video on thought leadership ads. Next time I'm going to talk about use cases when it comes to thought leadership.